On BuffsCreate, we have a few ready-made templates to choose from that are already built out for users. These templates have the structure and aesthetics of the website already created and just require users to change the text and some images on the site to personalize it. The templates available right now are the digital calling card, TruCollector, and TruWriter. Before we show you how to install these templates, we will show you the benefits and functionality of each. If you already know which template you would like to use, you can skip to this time marker marked in this video. First, we have the digital calling card template. A calling card is a quick and easy way to get started with BuffsCreate. It's a landing page that links to all the places where you are already active online. For instance, if you already have a blog or a photo gallery and some social media sites that you use. A calling card can help you get started designing by creating a simple yet visually effective landing page where you develop your online identity. This online calling card acts as a sort of online business card. Each calling card template has this home page. This home page has some short space for writing, an image, social links such as Instagram and Twitter, and these cards or tabs that you viewers may look through. Users can change the tab content and add their own tabs if they want to display more information. Users may also change the background image to whatever image they want. Here are some examples of what other students and faculty have created using the calling card. You can see that while each website has the same structure, the content is completely customized for each user. Next, we have TruCollector. TruCollector is a template that allows users to create a community database of images. In the built-in platform of TruCollector, visitors to a site with TruCollector template can upload any image and provide a name for credit, select categories to organize them, add tags, and provide information to credit the source of the found images without having to log into BuffsCreate and create an account. Such a collection could be created for a department or a single class where it might be useful to create a shareable set of images, or for an event to have participants share photos. Here is an example of a college website that was created for students to share their experiences during the COVID-19 pandemic. As you can see, visitors can share their image and a brief description of that image. Visitors also have the option to comment on other contributors' images and stories. Finally, we have TruWriter, which is a more extensive branch off of TruCollector. Instead of only images and short descriptions, TruWriter allows visitors to submit full articles, essays, and papers to a communal website without requiring any logins or tracking of personal information. Submitted pieces can be moderated by the owner of the website so that they must be approved before being published, or they can be unmoderated. The TruWriter template comes with a built-in submission platform. In this writing platform, it includes the space to write a title, author, writing area, header image, and optional email for visitors to go back and edit their submitted writing. The submission platform can also be password protected. Once writings are published, they are posted to a community homepage where writings are displayed in chronological order. Here is an example from an environmental studies course at CU, where students submitted their original media articles for analysis on a communal platform. Once a visitor clicks a writing, they will be brought to a full written piece and will have the opportunity to comment if enabled. In order to install these templates, users will need to log into BuffsCreate and navigate to their dashboard or cPanel. These templates can then be added to a subdomain or main domain. For more information about creating a subdomain, we have added a link to a separate video on this tutorial page. From there, after creating a subdomain where the website will live, users will install WordPress by clicking on the WordPress icon and navigating to the subdomain they wish to install the template on. Once you click the HTTPS URL of your choosing, you will continue to the version section. Under Content, instead of choosing a clean WordPress install, you will choose which template you wish to use. After choosing that, you will continue the normal process of installing WordPress and click Install. Once installed, you can edit each of these templates with your own text. Here is what the default calling card template looks like as an example. If you choose to install the calling card template, it will preload this content for you. The template has instructions on editing the preloaded content located here. To learn more about editing each of these templates, we have also included links with more information to each on this tutorial page. While these 3 templates are those that are available now, faculty may also create their own templates for students to use in the same way. For example, let's say a faculty member wanted all of their students to create a blog for their course assignments. Instead of asking the students to create the blogs from scratch, they could instead create a skeleton template of a blog that students would duplicate and personalize. Here is a sparse example we've created to illustrate this. This is a template that we've created for the class with placeholders for the assignments that are going to be due for the semester. Students can then duplicate this template onto their own account and fill in the website as the semester progresses. If you are a faculty member and this sounds like something you'd like to learn more about, please reach out to our support email at bcsupport@colorado.edu and we can work with you to get this set up.